Hi, I'm Alan. This is UK. Today we're going to take Troop 44 from New Jersey over to Central PA to do a caving trip. Now they were with us before, and I'm going to show the link down below. It was just like maybe this past year, last year, something like that. They were with us pretty recently, but they wanted a different cave. So this is going to be a different cave for them, and hope they have a lot of fun. We'll see you soon.
This is nice.
Not too bad, huh?
Yeah. Where should we like?
Okay. You can come down here.
Alright, cool.
Actually, come down here or start heading back down that passage back behind me. There's a room back there that's really kind of pretty
Nice.
that we can go and collect in.
Colin, you know what I think we forgot?
What?
Our wipes.
Oh my god.
I already got mud up my back because my shirt was coming up as I was...
Hey, why'd you do that?
Well, my shirt was coming up as I was coming down.
Yeah, I'm thinking of, ooh, are we gonna go down in this passage?
Yes, we will.
Oh wow, it is really good back here.
Yeah, Colin, I think I got it.
There you go.
Yeah, and you're gonna go in the other way here.
A little turn around. They're just, well, you can follow the lights
Okay.
of where they are and keep on going back. Doing good. Keep on coming.
Alright.
It's a sliding board. Just slide on down.
Okay. Oh man.
You're going to get
Such
muddy.
a good bag.
This is going to get real muddy. You can guarantee it. Come on down. Doing good. They went back down there. Just take your time. Just be careful of the formations. We don't break anything off.
Oh man. This looks. This is
What's up, guys?
Oh hey John.
If you want to wait for a buddy, that's okay. Try not to throw your pack.
Okay.
Okay? Try to carry it. That'd be best.
I'm down.
Oh, I have so much mud on my butt right now.
Yo, Jeffrey, see me?
Yeah, they'll get
I
worse.
see the-
There's a room right here. Where's your phone, Joe?
What?
Come down here. See where I am?
Yeah, I see you, Colin.
There's a huge room. Yeah, Colin.
You can almost stand up where you are and lean to the side.
Ooh, that's muddy.
Yeah,
Really muddy.
a little muddy.
Yeah, I know it is. The roots get into the rock.
Alright.
Colin, have you ever paid attention in science? It's like looks like a stalag thing.
Yeah, yep, that's exactly right.
It's like tight.
Yeah. Aren't like the
Stalactite.
tights that grow
The
off
tights
the
are
roof?
on the
You
top.
watch
and
videos.
Yes, they're the ones that cling tight to the roof.
Yep.
I went to Yellowstone. John, kind of stand
Yeah?
up and
Cool.
go sideways. It's much easier. Right. No, I didn't bring my phone.
Joe brought his phone.
Oh yeah.
Yes, Joe.
He got a waterproof case at work. Is there a mudproof case?
A light
Cool, you got it.
You guys weren't joking saying that it'd be dirty.
We're just heading back there to the back of the cave.
Oh. Am I going straight ahead?
Yeah, straight back behind me there in a
I guess I
room.
can crawl this way, right?
Room back there. Yeah, once you get down to here, you can pretty much stand up.
Okay. Can you tell if my light's on?
No, it's not.
Okay.
The switch is on the bottom of the light there.
What's going on here?
It's not working?
Doesn't feel like it's working.
Okay. We can fix that real quick. Oh, here we go.
Hi, I'm Scott. Been in commercial caves, but this is my first real spelunking expedition.
Sounds good.
Hi, I'm Jerry Hampton. This is my second cave that I've been in.
I'm Winter Chrisman, and this is my first cave.
All right, let me get up on my feet so I can do this without knocking anything down.
Hi, I'm Steven Flynn. This is my second time in a cave.
All right.
Hi, George Morrison. Second time in a cave.
Okay. So I can get in the back here.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Bunn, and this is my first time caving.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Ryer, and this is my first time caving.
Hi, I'm Joe Serbo. I'm 17, and this is my third time caving.
Hi, I'm Colin Rikacheski. I'm 16, and this is my third time caving.
All right. Thank you, everybody. All right.
Hi, I'm Amos, and I'm 18, and I lie.
Hey, Matt. You should take a look at my boots. They feel like 2 pounds extra.
Yeah, I know, right?
For me, it's
So this
just
is
all
not
the
ballroom,
mud on
is
the
it?
bottom.
What's that?
Is this ballroom?
This is the ballroom. What they sort of call the ballroom. It's a more level.
One of the more level floors.
Yes, more level than you'll see anywhere else.
Colin, look at my boots.
Colin, you want to go out?
What?
Yes.
There's another hole.
I'm already going out.
Are we allowed to?
Yeah, if you want to go out, just come back in again, because we're gonna.
Which one was harder?
Like, I don't know
Last one or
which
this one?
one was.
I think this one's easier.
This one's easy, Colin.
For me, it's like that, like all around my boot. Oh, I'm sorry.
Is that entrance over there?
Yep. Yep. You go down there and look up.
I don't
That's
know
the original
what
entrance
sweatshirt, but I don't
when
know
they
why
found the
he
cave.
did.
Dude, I feel like I got 2 pounds of mud on my boots.
I'm probably gonna wash my backpack. Let me just grab a
That's
thing
kinda
of mud
cool.
off of this.
That rock looks like a bone almost.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not.
So around this hole, is that the same way?
No,
Oh,
no.
it's a different one?
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to go down there. I mean, if you want to, you can, but I'm not guaranteeing you coming back up.
Jerry. I'm probably not gonna do the hard cave.
There you
No,
go.
I think I'm just gonna worry about this one.
Awesome.
Welcome to the ballroom.
Joe, go check out the. Go there and look.
Look at the
That was
frustration.
the original entrance.
Yeah, no, that was pretty.
Jeffrey, go over there and look at the original entrance.
Just be careful, it's really muddy when you get down there.
Are you going down that way, Alan?
Yeah.
Alright, Jeffrey,
We're
look
gonna head
up.
back.
Hold on.
As soon as we get everybody back here and they're rested. There we go.
Are you serious?
Yeah, Jeffrey, that was the entrance.
You got to put them
Look at the roots coming down
Ah,
from the trees.
Can't
This
wear
is
them.
what it's like being like eaten
Can't
by a
wear them past
whale.
this point, Russ.
Yeah.
Alright. Everyone boots off really don't
I like that little section right back there.
It's basically forbidden.
Saying this is kind of like being eaten by a whale. You made your way down the throat and then you're
In the stomach.
In the
being
bed.
digested now.
Oh, that hurts.
My boot is so much heavier when I go like this. Wow.
Look at my boots.
What boots?
There's blocks of mud.
We're getting taller.
I'm getting.
Where's on the bottom of my shoe?
Where's the shelf with the mouse rat nest?
It's all cleared out.
No, good.
Well, we got a lot.
Who's that?
Oh man, my knuckles just cracked. Like punched a rock. Oh, accidentally. I was moving my hand.
I was gonna say the rock will win. Over top. Don't go underneath.
Oh.
Go over the top.
Makes sense. There's like a spot that you can go under, but it would be really.
It's really tight.
It is. It's extremely tight, guys.
Jerry, did you try that?
I went through.
Take his bag from him.
It's like right there.
His bag's down.
His bag's down.
Alright, good.
Look.
Oh, yeah. Got it. Come on.
Jeez, this mud is like adding weight to me.
Yep.
No, I don't think I can go.
What?
I don't think I can go like that.
Do you want to go foot first?
Let's go feet first.
Yeah, I made that mistake.
Right up there.
Yeah, if you go head first, you can't straighten up until you get down here where I am.
Next clearing.
Right there. Feet first, go. Put your feet in front of you. Right up there.
Doing good. Doing good. That's it.
Okay.
Keep your feet out in front of you.
Yep. Ugh. Oh man,
You're gonna have bruises in place you didn't know.
No, I don't know about that.
So what you're basically saying is when I have bruises in place that we did not think we could get bruises.
I've got a rock up my butt.
There you go. Very good. Come on down here. Head back down there.
After we're done, it's gonna look like we all just like took it down to the same
Come on down. Down. Just go downhill.
Come on, Winter.
Watch your head. Watch your head on the stalactites. Watch your head. Go in a larger area. Down. Down. You're going up. You're going up. You want to go down.
It's called the butt rock.
Down here? Don't
Yeah.
go down, dude. Wait, should we go down or down?
Just downhill a little bit, just so I can get everybody up and out of here. Very good.
Hi! I'm gonna pretend to smile.
All right, pretend to smile.
What?
Just be careful standing up. We don't want to stand up and break off any of the formations.
Yep.
Jump up against the wall.
Scoot on down a bit more.
Everybody keeps getting caught on like little objects.
Very good. Very good. That looks good. Let me get out of the way. When he comes up, he's going to need some room. Let's get over here. Another way. Awesome! You are so muddy. That's awesome.
This is all mud.
Yeah, I don't know if that was
One more scout down there?
Yeah, one more. And there he is.
And then
Oh,
he
sorry
just-
about that.
Go ahead down with my arm.
Jared just wants himself out.
This is my intention.
There's ours, it's almost-
That was good. That
Everyone
was
just
good.
kinda slowly comes off of
You're not dirty.
I'm not supposed to be.
Well, that was it for Troop 44. They were pretty good. They did 2 caves and they had a lot of fun. They got real muddy, didn't they? Well, I've got a lot of stuff here, as you can see. I got to clean out the car and get ready for my next trip, which is coming up real fast. See you underground.
Please subscribe, like, and share.